Hi, my name is Paulo, and I'm here to speak a little bit about the Noble Cheat Academy program. So this is this lovely idea of how limited are we with our own beliefs and our own set of limitations. And out of my 20 years of corporate life and working with customers, I see this all along. Our own fears and limitation beliefs, they get in the way of dreaming our best possible future. So this program is all about bringing those fears into the table, look them in the face, and then by doing that, going far beyond those limitations. And if this applies to you, you are unsatisfied with your job, career, and the way it is progressing, and you feel powerless and limited, come and you will have a lot of fun. And discussing them openly helps us really to transcend them. So that's what the program is all about.